Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zephyr Glider Palworld, full guide. Equip the Zephyr Glider to your PAL in the inventory, then approach a high ledge calmly and position your camera. Take a deep breath, run forward, and press jump right at the edge to deploy the glider. Use gentle stick input to steer, and tap boost sparingly to conserve stamina while covering long distances safely and smoothly. In this video, I will explain how to use Zephyr Glider Palworld, full guide. Learn the core controls. Steer with the left stick and make small adjustments for precision. Tap boost for short speed bursts, but watch your PAL's stamina gauge to avoid a forced landing. Combine small boosts with glide dives to gain momentum, and pull up early to catch thermals and extend flight time when scouting or traveling between distant locations. In this video, I will explain how to use Zephyr Glider Palworld, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help support more content. On another note, I love the convenience of the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleaning effortless while you play. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Zephyr Glider Palworld, full guide. Master advanced moves like the dive then pull-up to build momentum and extend range efficiently. Seek thermal updrafts near warm terrain to regain altitude without using boost, and practice gentle banking for tight turns near obstacles. For multiplayer, communicate timing so teammates can follow your flight path, enabling coordinated drops, scouting runs, or surprise aerial approaches during exploration and combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.